Good morning. I'm John Shaneman.
I'm Holly Davis. Glenn's forecast is less than 2 minutes away.
First, the morning's top stories. People in Martin County cleaning up today after powerful storms tore through the area Sunday, bringing down power lines and tree limbs. A trampoline was even tossed several yards down the street into these power lines. Stewart police also had to shut down a number of roads throughout the city due to flooding. Those have since reopened.
Gosh, that trampoline was something else there. We are waiting for a little more information about this. This is a crash involving a West Palm Beach police SUV. It happened earlier this morning on Okeechobee Boulevard, a little west of I-95. We do know 2 cars were involved. It's not clear how the drivers, including the officer, are doing.
After a 3-week search, Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies arrested 2 teens for the murder of a Boca Raton man. The sheriff's office says the 2 17-year-olds went in to rob Carlos DaCosta's home on Hollandair Drive West. During the burglary, detectives say the teens shot and killed him. Both suspects face multiple charges.
All right, let's take a quick look at the weather threats for today. We have another weather alert today due to subtropical storm Alberto, which should make landfall sometime early this afternoon in the Florida Panhandle, but the large circulation around that storm is going to bring in scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms today. Biggest threat again will be the threat for heavy rainfall, but also very gusty winds in place. There's a low risk. It's not no risk, but a low risk for any tornadic activity as we move through the day today. Here's a quick look at Alberto, and it's going to move up to the north here. It's a pretty strong subtropical storm, actually. A lot of gusty winds there. Tropical storm warnings have been dropped from the west coast of Florida, but still in place for the Panhandle of Florida, as I mentioned, expected to make landfall later this afternoon. But you can see it drawing all this moisture up out of the south, so showers and thunderstorms possible today. Some breaks here and there, maybe even some little spots of sunshine, but certainly some heavy rainfall possible. High temperatures, low 80s, and breezy to gusty winds out of the southeast.
Out of time for now. As we observe Memorial Day, we certainly want to take time to thank those who have served and continue to serve our country.
That's all for now. For breaking news sent straight to your smartphone, download our free WPTV mobile app.
Have a great day.